Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share to you how to delete TikTok account by successful. Okay, for those of you who want to delete your account TikTok or remove from your phone, please follow the following tutorial. The first time you open first TikTok application. After that, you tap profile and then you click three line on the top this, and then you click setting and privacy, and then you click manage account, and then uh, and here there is delete account. You can click delete account. After that you must give your reason why are you want to leave the TikTok. We are so sorry to see you go. We would love to know why you want to delete your account. Please you make a reason, or you can choose other reason. Please you tap here. Just try maybe like that, and then click continue. Okay, review this one text before deleting your account. If you really want to delete your account, please in here you checklist and then you click the continue. After you click the continue, you will delete your account, but you still have 30 days if you want to your account back to you. Okay, if you really want to delete, please click continue. Okay, because this just tutorial, not i I don't click continue. That's all the tutorial from me for usefully for you. They see you in the next video.